What's up, YouTube family? It's Carlo here and in for another great video. Today I'm gonna be going over the Celcius network. So before we dive into it, I want to go over why I'm making a video over Celcius network. Cryptocurrency is here to stay, whether it's going to be part of our financing industry or technology. It is going to be an integral part of our society. And basically what I'm going to be going over is number one, what is Celcius network? Number two, is Celcius network safe? And three, using Celcius network as a high yield crypto account. And number four, should you use it? So getting into it right now, and at number one, what is Celcius network? Celcius network is a crypto lending app available both on Android as well as OS devices. And similar to putting money into a savings account, storing your cryptocurrency funds in Celcius network earns you compound interest on your holdings each week. Let me say it again, not monthly, semi-monthly, yearly, each week. And the premise is relatively simple. Number one, you deposit crypto into the Celcius network. Number two, the Celcius company then loans out your crypto assets and funds it to retail and institutional borrowers. And three, every Monday you receive a payment. They pay you as an investor. So pretty easy, right? So on the other side of lending, loans are available through the Celcius network as well, but by putting up cryptocurrency as your collateral, you can take out cash or stable coins as a loan. And when you take out those loans, they're at different terms, so different APYs where you have to pay back the loan. And unlike most traditional loan services, Celcius loans do not require you to have a credit check, and typically they grant you an approval within minutes. So although the Celcius network isn't a wallet per se, it includes the ability to send and receive cryptocurrency payments through CelPay. So kind of think of it as Apple Pay, but it's their platform, which is CelPay. CelPay doesn't charge you any transaction fees, and it enables you to send crypto through a link, a message, or in the app directly. So very, very similar as a platform where you could send money, such as like Venmo or Cash App, but via cryptocurrency. So number two, is Celcius network safe to use? The company was founded in 2017 by Alex Machinsky, the CEO. And Machinsky was notably known for bringing cell phone services as well as free Wi-Fi to the New York City subways and enabling Wi-Fi on US flights, and basically creating the VoIP, voice over internet protocol, such as FaceTime. So obviously this guy knows exactly what he's doing in regards to technology and also advancing a company and raising funds for Celcius network. So a little bit more about the company. The company has over 200,000 users and is growing over that year to date. And they have more than $2.2 billion under management. And it's pretty safe to assume that this company is pretty safe and can be trusted. But if you don't want to assume, you can also look at the $80 million that they actually paid their investors as well as the people who use the platform. They paid out users $80 million in interest payments already, and they made over $8.2 billion in loans to individuals as well as institutional people as well. And of course, there are always loads of positive reviews on the platform all over the web. So Trustpilot, and then at the end of the day, search Celcius network reviews. You'll see way more positive feedback versus a negative feedback, but do your own diligence. However, some things of note. the Celcius network is a custodial wallet platform, so the company keeps control of the keys for each of your cryptocurrency wallets. While this fact shouldn't be a deal breaker per se, but for most people it is essential to know. So kind of think of it in the crypto community, not your keys, not your wallet. So pretty much if you hold if you hold your crypto assets in this account, it is safe to say that they are insured by Fireblocks as well as Prime Trust, which are custodial accounts for holding crypto assets. However, Celsius is not FDIC or SPIC insured. However, they do have an insurance policy blocked by Fireblocks as well as Prime Trust, which gives me at least some safety to know that my crypto assets are stored safely within this platform. So I was testing out their platform, message support at Celcius Network, and I asked them, if Celsius gets hacked and coins are lost, what happens? So what they responded is they will reimburse you using their balance sheet and reimburse you using their digital assets. So if they were to be hacked and you lost some of your crypto assets, they will reimburse you straight from support. And Celsius is also making themselves more trustworthy as other financial institutions. In regard to that, they have received license by the U.S. Department of Treasury, FinTech CN, as well as the SEC in United States. And I'll leave a description, a picture somewhere here on the screen. Additional safety features that they have built into the platform are: number one, they have two-factor authentication. So basically that's where you opt in to get two-factor authentication. So say you log onto the app, you have to use your authenticator app, and then from there they'll give you a code. From that code, you have to use that code to log into your Celsius network. So it's a little bit more laborious, but at the end of the day, it is more safety and protection from you getting your crypto assets stolen by hackers. Number two, they have a verification mode such as withdrawals. So whenever you withdraw your crypto assets from this platform, there is verification needed to actually withdraw the funds. And number three, they call it HODL mode. So for those of you who aren't new to crypto, HODL means holding on for dear life. So they call it HODL mode, and basically it blocks withdrawals for 24 hours, so none of your crypto assets can be moved. Number three, so all of you guys have been waiting for this part. Can you make money with Celsius Network, and is Celsius as a crypto savings account? Celsius Network gives you the opportunity to earn passive income on your crypto holdings. So if you're literally leaving your money in Coinbase, Gemini, Binance, is not doing anything. You're just holding and just waiting for appreciation. It is not getting you any type of interest, no type of compound interest at that. But that's why using Celsius Network is something to definitely think about, to actually put your crypto assets to work to make you passive income. Primary way to earn money on the Celsius Network is receiving interest payments on your holdings, your crypto assets. So to participate, you simply deposit cryptocurrency into the Celsius wallet. And after that, once you deposited the crypto assets, you'll earn interest payments on that wallet every Monday. And then you can also choose whether you want to receive payments in their type of token, the CEL token, or you could receive it in whichever type of form of payment. You just mark it down on the platform of how you want to receive your interest payments. So pretty great feature, right? So the annual interest rates may vary weekly and as well as from coin to coin. So say Bitcoin versus Ethereum. Bitcoin can gain either higher interest or lower interest compared to Ethereum, but definitely check on their website, and I'll leave a link on the most recent interest account per coin, per crypto asset. And however, they seem to generally be in a range from 3 up to 21.5% on your crypto assets. Generally, choosing to receive your interest payments in Cel will net you a higher return, so which they want you to be more tokenized and more invested within their platform. Hence why they're going to pay you higher interest rates when you get paid out in Cel token. A lot of you guys are probably asking, when should you guys use this platform? So for like me, I'm part of the HODL gang, and the HODL gang is basically holding on your crypto assets, hoping it shoots to the moon and you become rich and become a millionaire. Hence why you guys are watching this video, right? So pretty much for you crypto investors that are planning to hold onto your crypto assets to hedge from different fiat currencies such as the US dollar and be well more diversified, this is a great option for you. So your crypto assets could actually gain interest and you could put that money to work. So think of this platform are for long-term users and long-term investing. And the other reason why you should use this one is as an investment tool to be more competitive with stocks. So if you search on Google, what is the average return year over year in the stock market? It's normally, everyone says 6% all the way up to 8%. So as an investor, they're promising you around 3 up to 21%, depending on which coin you choose to put in the platform. The returns are way higher. However, they do carry a little bit of risk, but at the same time, do your own diligence and research this platform. I feel safe enough to use this platform, and I'm using this as a account as my high interest yield for my crypto assets. And at the same time, you still own those crypto assets. They're just lending it out to other people so they can make money as well as we can make money. Other functions of this platform is that you could also buy and sell crypto assets on this platform. So think of it as a savings account as well as an exchange. So you could purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Stellar Lumens. However, I personally wouldn't do that due to the poor exchange rates on the platform. So in my opinion, I would use more of a dedicated exchange such as Coinbase Pro, Binance, certain things like that. So should you use Celcius Network? I would definitely say yes if you are in the long term and planning to put your crypto assets to work to make you more money. And also the customer service that you receive from Celcius Network. Having a relative safety of diversification in the crypto assets that you have on this account. Stable coins can get an interest rate of around 11%. You can also invest in other crypto assets which have higher return up to 21.5%. And Celcius represents the leader of one of the most high interest rate cryptocurrency accounts and lending platforms. The category is legitimate with other players such as BlockFi. So if you're planning to unbank yourself and separate your money from the traditional financial system, Celcius is the way to go. So as with many platforms in the crypto space, I'll definitely leave a link in the description down below, which will reward both you as well as me $20 worth in Bitcoin when depositing at $200 worth of crypto supported assets. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It took me a lot of time, a lot of energy to do all the research to provide you guys a lot of value. So if you guys don't mind, make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe down below, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.